Hi. In this video we will understand the ASIN function. ASIN function provides the arcsine, or inverse sine, of a number. The arcsine is the angle whose sine is number. The returned angle is given in radians in the range pi/2 to pi/2. We have descriptions for each of the functions to be performed. We type E equals ASIN brackets open minus 0.5, as the sine of the angle we want, brackets closed. Thus we get the arcsine of minus 0.05 in radians and the value is equal to pi/6. Similarly, in the next one we type, equals ASIN brackets open minus 0.05 brackets closed, multiplied, by 180, divided, by pi, brackets, open, and, brackets closed. This gives us the arcsine of minus 0.05 in degrees. Another way to get the degrees for the arcsine of angle minus 0.05 is type equals degrees ASIN minus 0.05 and press enter. It gives us the degree for the arcsine of minus 0.05. The sine of the angle you want and must be from minus 1 to 1. To express the arcsine in degrees, multiplying the result by 180/pi or degrees function can be used.